the schools A, B, C, D has been considered, and total number of students in these schools is 10,000. And as shown in the pie chart, the schools A having 36% of students, and therefore the number of students is 3,600, and the ratio of the boys and the girls is 2:3. Therefore, if we calculate, we'll find that means 3,600 divided by 5 into 2 will give you 1,440, and 3,600 divided by 5 into 3 give you 2,160. These are the number of boys and the girls in the schools A. Next, we'll find the school B. As in the pie chart, it is given as 16%, and total number of students is 10,000. Therefore, it is 1,600 students, total students 1,600. And ratio of the boys and the girls are 13:7. Therefore, 1,600 divided by 20 multiplied by 13, it will give you 1,040. And girls is 560. And school C, as in the pie chart, it is given as 20%, and total number of students is 2,000. Ratio is given as 7:3. Therefore, boys students are 1,400 and the girl students are 600. And in the D, the student are 28%. Therefore, total student is 2,800, and the percentage of the boys and the girls is 9:11. Therefore, the 1,260 is the boys and 1,540 are the girls. The first question you have to find the difference of girls students in the school A and school D. Therefore, already I found out the girls student in the school A is 2,160 and in school D 1,540. Therefore, the difference is 620. Therefore, option A is the correct option. Next is total number of boys students in all the schools together. Therefore, we just sum the first school, the boys students, the school A, 1,440, school B, 1,040, school C, 1,400, and school D, 1,260. If you summation together, 5,140. Therefore, your option D is the correct option. Then, next question, the girl student, all the schools together. Therefore, we know that total students are 10,000 minus the boy students. We can find the girl students. Therefore, this is equal to 4,860. Therefore, your option B is the correct option. Next is difference of boy students and the girl students in school D. Therefore, school D, total girl students are 1,540 minus the boy students 1,260, and you will get 280. Therefore, your option C is the correct option. Next is the overall percentage of girl student is, therefore, total girl students are 4,860 divided by the total students, 10,000 multiplied by the 100 and make into a percentage. Therefore, it will give you 48.6%. Therefore, option A is the correct option. Total number of computers sold during the year 2019 is 682. How many computers sold more in the month of February compared to the month of January? This is the first question in this. You can see from the chart that in the month of February it is total number of computers sold is 60 and total number of computers sold in the month of January is 38. Therefore, we can say that 60 minus 38 is equal to 22 and that is the option C is the correct option. Next, how many computers sold during the June to December? Now we know that from January to May we know and total number of computers sold in the year also we know. Therefore, we can find it out that 682 is the total number of computers sold and from January it is 38, February it is 60, March 74 and April 70. All are from the chart and if we calculate that is 372 and therefore option A is the correct option. Next question is, if the selling of computer in the month of October was 20% more than the month of April, how many computers are sold in the October? Therefore, from the chart we can see that in the month of April that 70 computers were sold and 20% increase in the month of October. There are 20% of 70 is 14. The 14 was more sold in the month of October. Therefore, the total number of computers sold in the month of October is 70 plus 14, 84. Therefore, your option B is the correct option. Next is, if the selling of computer in the month of June was 20% less than the month of April, how many computers were sold during the January to June? Now, first we have to find how many computers sold in the month of June. Therefore, 20% less. Already we know that 20% less is 14. Therefore, 70 minus 14 is equal to 56 number of computers were sold in the month of June. And also from the chart we know that the computer sold in the month of January is 38 plus 16 the February, March 74, April 70 and May 68 and just now we found the June also 56. If we add all we can find that this is 366 is the, therefore your option D is the correct option. Next question is, if the selling of computer in the month of June was 20% less than the month of April, how many computers sold during the July to December? That July to December we have to find it out. Therefore, already we found out that 366 is the January to June and therefore we have to find out total computers sold was 682 and January to June 366 and therefore 316 is the correct. Therefore option C is the correct option.